How to get money back on Cash App if scammed. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get your money back on Cash App if you think that you have been scammed. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you have to understand that there isn't a direct way to directly just go ahead and then actually get your money back on Cash App. That's not how Cash App actually works. Cash App functions on their own basis. They are not allowed to refund the money once you've actually sent them for good. They might ask you a couple of times before you confirm the transaction. Once and when you confirm the transaction, you will no longer be able to retrieve them. So the only way you can do something about it is to simply contact the Cash App support team. So in order to contact the Cash App support, all you have to do is first of all launch Cash App here. Then once you launch Cash App, you want to make sure to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called support that you see over here. So tap on support, and as and when you tap on support, here you'll find a section where it says chat, which is at the bottom. So just tap the chat button. As you do that, you just want to chat with the support team, and agent is going to get back to you over here, and then they're going to let you know what you can do to get money of your refund. They might ask you to provide the proof of your scam or whatever else that you might have been going through, and then only they will be able to refund the money. Other than that, I don't see any other way than this. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.